What a wild week it's been, not just for the markets, but for me as well. Chicago, WrestleMania, Las Vegas. So much going on, so much to talk about, so little sleep. But guess what? It's 4 p.m. The markets, they're about to close. You know exactly what time it is, right? It's time for the Weekend Happy Hour right here in the Big Apple. Another trading week in the books, and it's time for another new earnings season, which kicked off this Friday. But first, let's give a quick recap of the week that was. The U.S.-China trade talks remaining in the news, with talks of serious progress dominating the headlines. Supposedly, we need some little tweaks here and there, and it looks like this may be a done deal sometime soon. Meanwhile, at the same time, the Federal Reserve's meeting minutes showed unease over the U.S. and global economies. This therefore paving the way for the Federal Reserve's decision to stop raising interest rates this year, which helped keep the market strong. And then there was Brexit, which on Thursday saw the European Union grant the UK a flexible 6-month delay for its departure from the EU. Now, this delay is longer than what Prime Minister Theresa May wanted, and it looks like it may be an interesting Halloween for Prime Minister Theresa May if the deal agreement goes down to the wire. And then there were strong bank earnings and Disney unveiling a new streaming service. Yes, JP Morgan Chase kicking off the corporate earnings season on Friday by reporting better than expected results. But the highlight news of the day, Disney adding to gains, rising more than 10% intraday after the media company unveiled a streaming service at a lower price point than Netflix. Shares of Netflix, obviously, in the red. And when you combine all of this, let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out not just the session, but the week as well. And with that stated, kick back, relax, a couple of good points. Chicago again, that was a lot of fun. WrestleMania was okay, a lot more fun in the parking lot. Would have seen more on TV. Let's go Islanders playoffs, let's go Brooklyn Nets playoffs, and Viva Las Vegas. Love the weather out there and saw a ton of cool stuff over at the NAB conference, the NAB conference. Some of those reports going up over the weekend. Check them out. For Modern Wall Street saying I'll see you guys all next week, I'm James Swin.